The Almac Group is an established contract, development, and manufacturing firm that provides a wide array of services to over 600 clients globally in the pharmaceutical and biotech sectors. Today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about our newest service offering, direct-to-patient. Our direct-to-patient service is a service which coordinates the distribution of clinical trial material, both temperature-controlled as well as non-temperature controlled, between clinical sites direct to a patient's home in both the US and Canada. The sites will request a shipment from Almac, and Almac will coordinate and track the shipment to support this service. Direct-to-patient requires that the clinical site be approved for the clinical study and that this service must be outlined in the clinical protocol in advance of the study start. Our service is available in the United States and Canada. Almac has done our due diligence to determine that we're in adherence to the state, federal, and Canadian regulatory requirements. In response to increased client demand, we've decided to offer this novel service to provide a better and more efficient distribution process to help out our clients, their clinical sites, as well, and most importantly, the patients that are involved. We realize that patient recruitment and retention is one of the most vital aspects of a clinical trial. This will help to achieve that. This will help to provide that recruitment and retention that your clinical trial needs. The benefits to the client are realized in two main areas. The first is reduced cost. The second is increased patient enrollment and retention. Reduced cost comes from fewer in-site or in-clinic visits from a patient. Dropouts will also be reduced, which means that you're less likely to have to replace that patient. And lastly, if there's fewer site visits, then a patient is going to be more apt to come into the clinical trial because they don't have to travel to the clinical site. The rationale for this is based mainly on FDA regulation. These regulations require that a sponsor must ship their clinical trial material only to investigators that are named in the IND. Almac cannot ship direct from our sites or our depots to a patient because they are not named as the investigator in the IND. To learn more, speak with an Almac expert today or visit our website at www.almacgroup.com.